Hi Michael. So today, me and my team consisting of myself, Gautam, Arya, Annie, Gopal and Sakshi are going to be presenting our workings on bringing this global trading platform called Tradefinity to life for you. So let's get started.
Gautam. Now, Michael, let's focus on what makes our company truly different from others. It's a single platform for both crypto and equity trading, unlike others that provide only one of these two options. Your users can access markets like NYSE, NASDAQ, TSX, and crypto tradings like BTC, ETH, and even emerging tokens like Trump Coin all in one place. We offer real-time data, advanced charting tools, and dashboards that make analytics simple and actionable. Whether you are a one-time investor or a pro, the tools are easy to use and powerful. Our trading engine supports fast execution with clear order types and algorithms to reduce slippage, helping users to lock in the best price possible. Finally, Tradefinity is completely compliant with Canadian regulations of AML, KYC, and Fintech reporting, which are built in, which ensures transparency and legal integrity from day one. In short, this is a high-speed, all-in-one compliant trading platform that gives your client a serious competitive edge. Let's move on. Now, Michael, here's where we go beyond trading. Tradefinity includes built-in social and learning features that makes it more than just a platform. It's a community. Users get public profiles, can follow top traders, and even copy trades with analytics which provide them guidance. It's ideal for new users who want to learn but don't know where to start from. We also offer educational libraries with videos, articles, and courses, all enhanced with gamified elements like quizzes, leaderboards to keep the users engaged. Users can simulate trades in our simulations, which are created with real-world data. Lastly, we foster interactions through forum and demo competitions, so users can learn, compete, and grow all in one safe space and supportive environment. This is what makes Tradefinity not a place to trade, but also a place to learn, connect, and grow, which helps us to set apart from others.
Thank you for your explanation, Arya. Now, moving on to non-functional requirements. Building on what's already been shared, what really makes Tradefinity stand out is our focus on crypto trading and social trading. And everything you see on this slide is designed to support those two core pillars. For crypto, speed and security are critical. That's why we've engineered Tradefinity for low latency execution with 100 millisecond backend optimization, so users can act on volatile price movements instantly. On the security side, we've implemented end-to-end encryption, cold storage, and multi-signature wallets to protect user assets, all backed by regular penetration testing and intrusion detection. Now, social trading brings a different kind of demand: high interaction, real-time copying of strategies, and constant engagement. To support that, our platform uses a cloud-native microservices architecture, auto-scaling, and database sharding to handle thousands of simultaneous users without lag. Even our user interface reflects this. Built with React and Vue, it's clean, accessible, and built to support traders of all levels, who are not just trading, but also learning from each other. So in short, every non-functional requirement you see here isn't just technical, it's directly supporting our mission to bring secure, scalable crypto trading into a social, user-friendly experience. And with that, I'll pass it over to Gautam.
Thank you, Annie. So for the purpose of this presentation, I'll be focusing on one of the most important use case, which is the crypto trading, as it is one of the highlights of our platform. As you can see it in the slides, we have the traders, the regulators, and the crypto protection agencies as actors. Then we have the system where it all happens. Finally, we have the different possible scenarios or outcomes when these actors interact with the system, which is called use cases. Let's take a look into this in the next slide. So as you can see in the slides, we have the traders on one side dealing with different interactions with the system like registration or login, buy or sell crypto, withdrawal or deposit of fiat, if they want to set alarm or notification within the system or if they want to track other people's portfolio. So this interaction between the trader and the use case is defined by the line joining them. Then we have the verify KYC use case, which is only subjected to certain other use cases like the registration or the withdrawal or the deposit fiat use case. So this verify KYC use case also triggers another use case, which is the enable two-factor authentication, which is only subjected to certain conditions. Then finally, we have the trade on spot market use case, which is subjected to buy or sell crypto use case and will be triggered only subjected to certain conditions. We have the regulators and the crypto agencies on the right side of outside the system who interact only with the KYC information for compliance purposes. So I'll hand it over to Gopal. Thank you.
Hi, today I'll walk you through the data flow diagram that outlines how traders can place a trade on the Tradefinity platform. The journey begins when a trader, whether experienced or a newcomer, logs onto the platform. For those who are new, we offer a social trading and learning module. This is one of Tradefinity's key strengths, helping users learn by observing top traders and joining brief educational sessions on cryptocurrency trading. Once a trader selects an asset they are interested in, the system immediately taps into real-time data through our market data API. This helps users make better informed decisions based on current market conditions. Next, the trader decides whether to buy or sell the selected asset. The order is then sent to our order matching system where it is executed quickly and effectively. After execution, a confirmation is sent back to the trader, assuring them that the transaction was successful. Beyond this trading flow, Tradefinity ensures legal and regulatory compliance through continuous monitoring. This gives traders peace of mind knowing that they can operate freely and safely. And finally, the platform keeps users up to date on the newest marketing conditions, including emerging assets like the Trump currency, making Tradefinities a dynamic and a forward-looking trading space. Let me walk you through the swim lane diagram that illustrates how the Tradefinity platform operates, showing who does what across different stages of the trading process. We have four main actors involved: the trader, the trading platform, the backend services, and the market data provider. Each plays a crucial role in ensuring a smooth and secure trading experience. The process begins with the trader who enters their login information to access their account on the Tradefinity platform. This data is passed to the backend services, which verify the credentials and confirms the user's account and balances. Once authenticated, the user can explore the trading options. Next, the trader searches for a stock they're interested in. The trading platform handles this request and communicates with the backend to retrieve relevant data. At this point, the trader also has the option to access our educational module, a key feature for newcomers who want guidance before placing a trade. When the trader decides to make a purchase, the order is sent back through the trading platform to the backend, where a balance check is done to ensure that there are enough funds in the account. If everything checks out, the trader initiates the payment and the backend services begins the fund transfer process. Once the transaction is completed, the market data provider updates the trader's portfolio and notifies the system of a successful trade. Finally, the trader can review their updated portfolio. If any modifications are needed, the market data provider makes those updates and the backend services ensures that the latest information is displayed on the screen. This seamless process across multiple actors ensures secure, informed, and efficient trading for all the users on Tradefinity.
Thank you, Gopal, for the insights on the swimlane diagram and the data flow diagram. Now let's walk through the prototype for Tradefinity, which visually brings together all the functionality we've discussed so far. The prototype was built in Figma and centers around a user-friendly design philosophy, combining clean interfaces and powerful trading capabilities. We begin by mapping the key user journeys, including onboarding, trading, and education. The goal was to create a platform that feels intuitive, even for first-time users, but still advanced enough to satisfy experienced traders. Starting with the onboarding experience, we streamlined it with KYC and 2FA, so security doesn't come at the expense of simplicity. Next, we designed a dashboard that gives users a quick but rich view of their portfolio, including real-time market movement, top actions, and news highlights. From there, we focused on the trading interface, which includes advanced charts, real-time market data, and the ability to place market limit or stop loss orders with just a few taps. We also introduced a learning hub that's gamified. Users can earn XP, take quizzes, and unlock badges. It's a key differentiator aimed at building long-term financial literacy. And finally, the social trading module, which allows users to follow and copy top traders, transforming trading into a collaborative and educational experience. Here on this slide, you can see some of the screens from our prototype. On the left side, the sign-in page sets the tone. The tagline, "Elevate how you trade, learn, and grow," reflects our vision clearly. In the middle, we show the main dashboard, which highlights a user's balance portfolio with seamless access to assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. The performance change indicator helps users quickly access their portfolio movement. And finally, on the right, we showcase the asset detail view. In this case, Bitcoin Cash. It includes historical performance data, advanced stats, and call to action buttons for buy and swap, empowering users to make decisions with clarity and confidence. Together, these screens reflect our commitment to building a comprehensive, compliant, and user-friendly trading experience, combining finance, tech, and education all in one. This brings us to the end of our presentation. From all of us at Tradefinity, we appreciate you listening and thank you for your time.